Here's how to make blood red chlorophyll, if your blood is neon. For starters, you're going to need a mortar and pestle. Is it pestle? Pestle. A mortar and pestle. You're also going to need some, wow, that's really blurry, some spinach, like this baby spinach or some other leafy green. Transition. And then I followed up with this off-centered sloppy shot. I missed the bowl. Wait, is the bowl the pestle? Anyway, you're going to tear up the spinach a bunch. And this is taking a long time, so I'm just going to speed it up. Faster, faster, faster. All right. Y'all, you're not even going to believe that transition. Next, you're going to need some isopropyl alcohol. Just your basic rubbing alcohol. This stuff was from 2018, but, it works. You're just going to pour it right over the spinach leaves. Just over the top. The alcohol, combined with the mashing, basically just releases the chlorophyll from the thylakoids, which are just like stacks of green pancakes within the chloroplast, within the plant cells. Just a lot of withins going on here. And then you're just going to mash it up until it's, well, good and mashed. And you get this, but it's chunky, so we're going to strain it out. Okay, that was a fail. Huzzah! Okay. Huzzah! There we go. Now, this is the part where I kind of get my finger stuck, but, I probably should have picked a larger flask. And then maybe a funnel, because I spilled everywhere. The good thing about rubbing alcohol is it evaporates really quick, and then just kind of cleans the surface anyway. Now, of course, you don't have to have a flask. You can do this just as easily at home with some kind of empty glass, a mason jar. It doesn't really matter, as long as you can strain it, and probably end up doing it cleaner than me. See, chlorophyll is a green pigment within plants that does a lot of absorbing of red and blue and violets and reflecting green, which is why we see it as green. When light from the sun comes in contact with chlorophyll, it excites the electrons within, which get transferred down a really long chain, and that's the actual work of photosynthesis. But without anything to transfer to, we get a different effect. The very excited electrons need to release that energy somewhere, and they do so in the form of red light. It's called fluorescence, and it's pretty cool.